Holly with Monomachines. This is the MBM 1500S paper folder. Now it's for high volume environments. Okay, look at this thing. It is huge. Now it takes a little bit of time to set up, but once you've done that, it's fully automatic. So come on in, let's talk about this machine. It's an air suction auto feeding paper folder. It's got 6 pre-programmed standard folds, but it can hold up to 30 custom folds in its memory. The feed tray can hold up to 500 sheets, and it can fold up to 15,000 sheets per hour. That is amazing. Now, because of its speed and its volume, that makes this machine the perfect machine for any large mailroom. Thanks for watching. I'm Holly with Monomachines.